Hey guys,
Hey.
we're glad you can join us, guys, and we thought that it was important for us to shoot this little video just to kind of show you guys what mobile home investing could afford you guys. As you can see, there's the beach in the background behind us. We're at a resort, and all these things of us taking these vacations, it's all possible because of mobile home investing. And again, if you've read our story, if you've heard our story, we've been doing this for over a decade, guys. So this has afforded us the ability to take multiple vacations with our family. A lot of you guys, you have kids, you have a family. We're all about family.
Yes.
So it's important, and we know that having these type of trips, having these type of vacations is important to you. But at the same time, we know that it's difficult if you're just working a 9 to 5.
Right.
But mobile home investing could afford you to do these type of things.
Yes.
You want to add something?
Yes. I would say too that this mobile home investing, it could be good as well. Like if you're just starting out, like say if one partner is working a 9 to 5,
Mm,
the other partner could be doing a lot of the leg work,
right.
in making phone calls and receiving phone calls
Hmm.
while the other partner is working the
Right.
9 to 5.
Right.
Because Glenn worked the 9 to 5 for a while before we
Hmm.
jumped full time into mobile homes,
Right.
and I was doing this. I was doing all of the leg work,
Hmm.
and he was behind the scenes.
Right.
So this, us doing this have afforded us, as he said, the opportunity to be able to vacation with our children.
Hmm.
It just, even if you want a vacation just with you guys without the kids, it
Exactly.
affords you the ability to do that too.
Hmm.
Our son actually just graduated from college,
Right.
and because of the mobile home investing, this is what you see right here. He
Hmm.
literally just graduated from college last weekend,
Right.
and this is what we did for him. And
Hmm.
also, we just came
Other
as a
things
family,
also, right.
right?
Hmm.
And we just this has afforded us the ability to do a lot of great things.
Hmm.
So we just wanted you to see what's possible
Right.
with the mobile home
Right.
investing.
Right.
And in the back, if you hear noise, it's because there's people around in the resort. They're
Mhm.
sitting on the balcony too,
Exactly.
relaxing by the beach.
Exactly.
As you can see the beach.
Right. And that's good. Great points. And guys, we did this also to show you that we're just like you guys. Again, we're a
Yes.
normal family. We could come on here like these. You see these other gurus showing Lamborghinis and all this type of extravagant stuff. But guys, this is real people, real life. We don't
Yes.
have to hype things up to um,
It's
promote
bigger
this
than
to
that for us.
exactly. It's more. It's family for us.
Yes.
So it's bigger than that. Again, we're just normal people, and me and Miss Kerry, we put our heart and soul into the material that we produced.
Yes.
Again, guys, over a decade of knowledge. If you check out the link, it's our stuff. And guys, what we're offering, it's pennies compared to the knowledge that you're getting. Again, over a decade of experience in investing in mobile homes,
Yes.
and it's no fluff in what we're offering. And again, what we're offering, it's pennies compared to. Just give them an idea. We've done all the courses, guys. We've done a lot of them, and just
Yes.
tell them the prices that we. You don't have to give the specific, but the prices we pay compared to what we're offering.
Thousands of dollars. Definitely thousands of dollars. We've invested in our education over time.
Exactly.
Thousands of dollars in our education,
Hmm.
and it's a pretty penny.
Exactly.
It's a pretty penny.
Exactly.
And a lot of the information that you're getting from these gurus
Hmm.
is what you get
Exactly.
from our course, because it's really, a lot of things are hyped up,
Hmm.
and as Glenn said, it's not about showing you guys all the materialistic things that we have. It's bigger than that. We
Right.
want you guys to focus more on the foundation, which is the most important thing,
Right.
which is building an inheritance for your children's children.
Hmm.
And that starts with family first.
Right.
So we always promote family first. All of that other stuff will come,
Exactly.
but you get this part good. Down pat. All of the other stuff is going to fall into
Exactly.
place.
Exactly.
Because if you start with the material first before you get this part together, meaning the family, character, all of these things. If you start with the material things first, that stuff is going to come crumbling down, and
Exactly.
you're going to lose yourself.
Hmm. Absolutely.
You're going to lose yourself.
Absolutely. Very wise words, Miss Kerry. And like she said, the foundation is very important. And like what we were saying, guys, we've been doing this for many, many years. We have
Many
so many
years.
we have so many memories with our kids of doing these type of vacation. I'll probably put a couple of pics up of our kids from when they were young, and now we have one son who's an adult now. So we've been doing this for so many years, guys.
So many
And that's the
years.
type of memories that we want you guys to create with your families,
Yes.
with your kids, especially you guys that are just starting out. And again, mobile home investing can help you guys do that.
And your children too. Because
Yes,
our children have invested as well in mobile
exactly,
homes
exactly. They've done
and
their own
made
deals.
money as
And
well.
it's encouraging for them to see that this my parents can do it. So wow, this is possible for me also. So guys, there's just so many benefits to mobile home investing, and again, we just thought that it was important to shoot this video to show you guys that we're real people. This is not a hype video. This is not bragging. We're just showing you the things that are possible, guys, and we want those things for you guys. And again, if you check out our material, it can show you how to do the things that we do. And guys, you're getting it at a fraction of the cost, like what Miss Kerry said. Because again, we've done all the courses. Like she said, we've combined all the things that we've learned and put it into this material. No hype, no fluff. You're getting straight to the point. The purpose of our material was to help you get your first deal in under 30 days. So if you take action and do the things that we say to do, it's very much possible,
Yes, it
guys.
is.
So we hope this video was informative. Again, not a hype video.
Right.
Just telling you how to
We
live.
don't have to hype it
We
up.
don't have to hype it
because
up,
we
guys.
know that we offer value.
Exactly. So, again, guys, hope this was informative and inspirational to you guys. And again, check out the link in the description. All right.
All right,
Talk to you guys later.